There's no beating in your chest, just the sound of emptiness. You're heartless.
Max, what are you doing here?
I can see the pain that's been hiding in your eyes. You seem like you need a friend, and right now, so do I.
It's hard for me to trust, but here I am anyway, spilling out my guts.
Try it on. You're gonna love it, I swear.
No, I couldn't. No, I shouldn't.
It's just like you.
A part of me is scared, but I have nothing to lose.
Crueler than you'll ever be. I'll be ruthless. You were never true to me. Now we're totally upset.
Chloe? Chloe!
What are they doing?
Look. Leaving me behind again. Wait for Pink too! Hey guys! We were waiting for you. Are we gonna get to the Oraculum?
And what's with the makeover?
Red. I wasn't having fun anymore. Being good. It's time.
Ominous much? I'm clearly out of the loop, but this is bad, right?
Wait! We need to get to the center and fast.
Will. Go!
What are you doing?
Hurry! I can't hold them off for long. Go!
Go! Pink! Pink, I need you! That's my sister in there and she needs me! Open up this instant! Thanks! You came.
Who's the big sister now?
Hey guys. Miss us?